Alrighty, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This motovlog slash whatever channel. We just do whatever we want. Just have a good time. But yeah, today is the day before Thanksgiving, 2020. It's been a crazy one. But I just wanted to give thanks for all you guys that are subbed to the channel, and thanks for helping me hit over 300 subs. Hopefully you guys can get me to 400 soon. I don't know. Now, I hit 300 subs. That's over 300 actually, and that's a pretty good landmark achievement. But I'm really trying to figure out what type of how do you say, I guess the next goal or number achievement that I wanted to reach, and I might do something a little nutty. I don't know, but you guys give me some suggestions of as far as a number that I should reach, and actually do, do something special for reaching a certain sub goal, because that's what I'm really trying to get to now. And I've been doing this for years. I've been off and on because, life situations, but I'm really trying to hit that 1,000 mark. So you guys, if you like my videos, tell your friends, whatever, and have them check me out, and hopefully I can reach that 1,000 subs soon. And just like I said, let me know what kind of number, what number do I need. Does it need to be farther away, or maybe 350, whatever, whatever you guys think that I should hit, whatever number you guys think I should hit to where I can actually do, maybe do it like a pretty cool, like, kind of crazy achievement video. And I have a couple things in mind, so I'm just gonna let you know it's gonna be a little nutty. It's gonna be a little different from a little bit different from most other people's channels. But yeah, just let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like my channel, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.